Hello students, I am Archana Tiwari, your GK teacher of LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar. Okay, today I am going to explain you the second topic of GK, that is birds crossword. Birds crossword. First we will fill this puzzle. Afterward I will explain you a single birds features to you. Okay, first I will see here. I have very attractive features. I have very attractive features. You know which bird have very attractive features? Peacock. Which bird? Peacock. See here. Peacock. Peacock. Second is, I am a bird of prey. I am a big bird of prey. Do you know? But see the picture and tell me what is eagle. 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 Okay, then come down. I have a big bill. I carry fish in it. I have a big bill. I carry fish in it. That is what? Pelican. That is what? Pelican. Spelling Pelican. Pelican. See next. I can copy human voice. I love to eat green chilies. All of you I think know this. I can copy human voice. I love to eat green chilies. Which bird eat green chilies and also able to speak like a human beings? Parrot. Spelling Parrot. Parrot. I am very white and swim in water. Can you guess? I am very white and swim in water. Yes, swan. That is SWAN. Swan. Next here, I am a flightless bird and live in Antarctica. I am a flightless bird and live in Antarctica. Can you guess? Yes, penguin. 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 Do you know penguins' eyes work better underwater than do in the air? Penguins' eyes work better underwater than they do in the air. Okay? See here. Next is, I am an Australian bird. I cannot fly. I am an Australian bird and I cannot fly. Do you know which bird? Emu. 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 I lay eggs and my young ones are called chicks. I lay eggs and my young ones are called chicks. I think this everyone know. Which bird? Hen. Spelling of hen? HEN. Hen. Clear? So now one by one I will explain you. See here are different features. Each and every bird different features. See here, this is the peacock. Peafowl is a common name for three bird species in the genera Pavo and Afropavo of the family Placinidae, the fishes and their allies. Male peafowl are referred to as peacocks. जो मेल peafowls होते हैं उनको क्या कहा जाता है? पीकॉक्स कहा जाता है. क्या कहा जाता है? पीकॉक्स. पीकॉक्स एंड फीमेल पीफॉल जो होते हैं दे आर रिफर्ड एज द पीहेंस. पीकॉक्स में जो मेल होते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? पीकॉक. और जो फीमेल होते हैं जेंडर से डैट इज रिफर्ड एज टू बी अ पीहेंस. क्या बोलते हैं उनको? पीहेंस. Even though peafowls of either sex are often referred to colloquially as peacocks. Clear to this much? Now come to the next bird. That is eagle. That is eagle. Eagle is the common name for many large birds of prey. Eagle is the common name of which? Many large birds of prey of the family. Accipitridae. Eagles belong to several groups of genera, some of which are closely related. Most of the 60 species of eagles are from Eurasia and Africa. Mostly they are found in Eurasia and Africa. Next is what? Parrot. Next is parrot. See here, parrot. Parrots also known as Psittacines. They are birds of the roughly 398 species in 92 genera comprising the order Psittaciformes, found mostly in tropical and subtropical regions. Mostly they are found in tropical and subtropical regions. The order is subdivided into 3 superfamilies. The order is divided into 3 superfamilies. What are they? The Psittacoideae, the Cacatoidea and the Strigopoidea. These 3 categories are there. These are the 3 superfamilies that are subdivided in order. Clear to this much? See here, it's shown here. Now next is what? That is what? Pelicans. Pelicans. Pelicans are a genus of large water birds that make up the family Pelicanidae. Pelicanidae. They are characterized by a long beak and a large throat pouched, used for catching prey and draining water from the scooped up contents. पेलिकन्स जो होते हैं बेटा, उनका जो ये बीक होते हैं काफ़ी लॉन्ग होते हैं, उनका जो थ्रॉट्स होता है वो भी बड़ा लार्ज होता है, एक पाउच होता है उसके अंदर जिसमें वो लोग जो भी कैच करते हैं वो वहाँ पे रख सकते हैं, इवन वो पानी भी वहाँ पर रख सकते हैं. From the scooped up contents before swelling, they have predominantly pale plumage, except for the brown and Peruvian pelicans. Clear? Now come to the next one, that is swan. That is, see here, that is swan. Swans are birds of the family Anatidae within the genus Cygnus. The swan's closest relatives include the geese and ducks. Swan जो है किनसे close relatives होते हैं? Geese and ducks. Swans are grouped with the closely related geese in the subfamily. Okay? Anserininae, where they form the tribes Cygni. Sometimes they are considered a distinct subfamily, that is Cyginae. It is completely white in color. Now come to the next, that is penguin. That is penguin. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds. They live almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere. Where they live? They exclusively live in the southern hemisphere. With only one species, the Galapagos penguin found north of the equator. The Galapagos penguin found north of the equator. वो इक्वेटर्स के नॉर्थ एरिया में पाए जाते हैं. Highly adapted for life in the water. Penguins have counter-shaded dark and white plumage and flippers for swimming. Now come here next, that is what the last one is, that is emu. The emu is the second largest living bird by height. ईमू जो है हाइट में सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट लिविंग बर्ड्स है आफ्टर इट्स रैटल रिलेटिव द ऑस्ट्रिच। कौन है इसका रैटल रिलेटिव? दैट इज द ऑस्ट्रिच। ऑस्ट्रिच जो होते हैं उनके रिलेटिव्स में आते हैं। सो emu is also the relatives of the ostrich. It is endemic to Australia. It is endemic. It is found in where? In which place it's found? It is an Australian bird. It is an Australian bird and it cannot fly. Emu cannot fly. Okay. Where it is the largest native bird and the only extant members of the genus Dromaeus. Genus Dromaeus. Clear to all of you? This is the some features of the birds given here in the topic 2 birds crossword that already I will tell you. That first is what? Peacock, then eagle, parrot, pelicans, swan, penguin, hen, emu, and the another one bird is remaining, that is what? Hen. You know, a hen lays egg and the young ones are called what? Chicks. The young ones are called chicks. Okay, this much for today only. Then bye. We will meet you in the next video.